Golden milk or turmeric milk is also known as Haldi milk. It has various health benefits. Golden milk is rich in antioxidants which help protect cells from damage, fights off disease and infections. It has anti-inflammatory property. The anti-inflammatory effect reduces joint pain from arthritis. It has antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties that boost immunity. It clarifies skin, reduces acne and lightens scars. It improves digestion, helps relieve gas and bloating. It is a well-known remedy for insomnia. So now let us look at the ingredients. I am using here 1 cup whole fat milk, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon honey, half teaspoon coconut oil. Into a saucepan, add in 1 cup of milk. You can use almond milk, soy milk, rice milk, coconut milk or oat milk. I'm going to boil the milk here and this will take about 5 minutes on high heat. And then I'll go ahead and add all of the ingredients except honey and now whisk it on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Let the milk cool down a little bit and then add honey, as the heat will kill the antioxidant properties of the raw honey. Pour the milk in a cup and serve it warm.